You're feeling because you're too accessible. It's finally time to become a ghost. Everyone knows what you're eating, where you're going, and what you're planning. You've traded your privacy for cheap attention, and that's why you have no power. I'm gonna show you the anonymous era, the 3 steps to rebuild your life in total silence. Listen carefully, because once you start, there's no turning back. Stop being a spectator, man. For the next 30 days, delete the apps that make you feel like you need to be seen. If they can't find you, they can't distract you. Your growth requires your total disappearance. Identify your one grand goal. Work on it for 4 hours every single day before the rest of the world even wakes up. No music, no check-ins, no this type of bullshit. Build your empire in the shadows while they're busy chasing light. Stop announcing your progress. Let your fucking results do the screaming. By the time they realize you've changed, you should be so far ahead that they can't even see your shadow. Success is the only noise you're allowed to make. Privacy is the new luxury. Silence is the new power. Most of you will fail because you're too addicted to the spotlight. But the ones who embrace the dark, they're the ones who actually win. Stop seeking validation and start seeking results. The era starts now. Get the fuck to work.